Welcome to Bangkok and welcome to another video from Travels with Charlie and Friends. And I visited Bangkok in 2024. On this video we're going to have a wander down Khao San Road. You can buy virtually anything there, from a CD to a hot dog, and you can see all sorts of entertainment. It's very popular with backpackers, and here we are. Really is a party street, and there's all sorts going on here. You can have a massage, you can have something to eat, or you can go and watch someone performing with ping pong balls. Now, I didn't go and do that, but I did have a massage, and I did have a chicken kebab, which was really good, it's got to be said. The food here is really good value for money, and so is the drinks, and people will come round and try and sell you all sorts of things, from a pokey stick to a scorpion on a stick. And if you come here the day before Thai New Year, you might get a bit wet. They have a massive water fight on here at Thai New Year, and water plays an important part. It's said to wash away everything that happened in the previous year. If only it was that easy. And if you think it looks busy, that's because around 50,000 people a day visit this street, Khao San Road, in Bangkok. And you can get a chicken kebab down here for 60 baht, which is around £1.30. So great value for money. And very vibrant street, and loads going on. Have you been here? What did you make of it? Please do leave a comment below. And this is a very inclusive street. Anyone can go here. You don't have to be afraid. I've got to say, I found it to be very safe. People will pester you to buy things, but I thought it was very safe. And if you're staying in Bangkok, you can get a Grab taxi here, or perhaps you can get a tuk-tuk. And anyone for a scorpion on a stick? No thank you. I'll give that a miss today. Although apparently they're full of protein. And this is Khao San Road during the day, and they're just setting up for the day, and the day will soon turn to night, and it will be partying all down here all night. Nice to see some of the stalls, and it's nice to see it during the day. And here's something interesting. It's a crocodile grill. Yes, crocodile meat. Never had it. Have you had it? No, I've never had it. Don't fancy it. I had kangaroo once and that was horrible. And the cars on here, there won't be any cars here tonight. And we'll be back tonight for another look around. Now this place is not for those which have narrow minds. You've got to be broad-minded, because there are dancing girls and dancing boys and dancing girls that are boys. There's all sorts going on down here. And if chicken kebab and fresh fruit isn't your thing, this way for the drugs. Yes, they do sell cannabis here, just for medical reasons, of course. Either in a cake or in a gummy, or to smoke. And some fresh fruits there. And more of that crocodile. I suppose when people have had a few drinks, they don't mind trying it. Was that spaghetti? Or was it noodles or something? A massive pile of noodles. So it's not just night time where people go here to eat, it's during the day as well. As we travel along here, you'll see lots of parks, lots of outdoor spaces, palaces, monuments, and respect for the royal family. They have pictures of the royal family all along the road. Van there running for the bus. And we're now approaching the Democracy Monument, which represents the 1932 Siamese Revolution and the establishment of a constitutional monarchy here. Built in 1940, it's quite difficult to get to have a proper look, although there were plans to build a tunnel so that tourists could come and have a look around this. And the four statues represent pillars of government. We're going to go back now to Khao San Road. It's starting to get dark and starting to get busy. And let's have another wander around. And although the night is young, I've had enough for tonight, and I am heading back to my hotel on a tuk-tuk. and passing that monument at night. And it's nice to see all these buildings lit up as you go past. It really is something to be seen. And that brings us to the end of this little video from Khao San Road in Bangkok. I will be returning in late 2026, so check out those videos when they appear. They might be there now, depends when you're watching this. Until next time, bye for now.